sugar choo-choo, here we go. Fast and we go slow. The magic train is on the track with lots of colors on its back. Wonder Wings is driving fast, this big adventure's gonna last. The first wagon is red and round, rolling, rolling on the ground. It's a circle, look at that, round and round like a wizard's hat. Red as a cherry, red as a rose, where the magic engine goes. Can you draw a circle in the air? Spin it everywhere. The second wagon is blue and bright, a beautiful and happy sight. It's a square with corners four, knock, knock, knock on the blue door. Blue as the ocean, blue as the sea, learning is fun for you and me.
चलो देखते हैं कौन कौन से फल हमें मिलते हैं। देखो देखो, हमारी ट्रेन आ गई और इसके पहले डब्बे में क्या है? ये है लाल लाल गोल गोल सेब। हेलो, मैं हूँ सेब। मैं बाहर से लाल और अंदर से सफेद होता हूँ। मुझे खाने से आप सेहतमंद बनते हैं। वाह, सेब खाना कितना अच्छा है ना? चलो।
Twinkle, twinkle, little friend, the magic train will never end. Shapes and colors everywhere, in the water, in the air. The train is stopped and the day is done, but we had the most is fun. Click the like and subscribe to the Wonder Wings. Train loves you. Choo choo, bye bye, see you soon. Underneath the silver